Welcome to Jonathan online class. In this class, I want us to discuss a particular topic in mathematics. That topic is discount and commission. This is a continuation with our discussions on commercial arithmetic, because this is business maths. Now, what we mean by discount and commission? Discount is a kind of grace or benefit a seller grants to a buyer. It could be cash discount or quantity discount. By cash discount, it is granted to a buyer for paying in cash. Then quantity discount is granted to a buyer for buying in large quantity. Then when we talk about commission, commission is granted to an agent. It's a remuneration granted to an agent for making sales or business transaction on behalf of the principal. For example, people selling land, they have agents. People renting houses, they have agents, or even real estate. So they have agents. Those agents get their own benefit in form of commission. It could be any percentage with respect to the actual price marked for that particular commodity that is involved. So now let us look at examples. The same thing applies to discount. Discount is given to also in percentage with respect to the actual price marked for the article or for the goods for sale. So let's continue with the example on the board for clear understanding. Now, example, question number 1 says, the market price of an article is 800 naira. A buyer enjoys a discount of 5% for cash payment, that's cash purchase. How much will he pay? That's number 1. Then solution is solving number 1. We are given that the market price of the article is 800 naira. So, market price is given as 800 naira. Then, a buyer enjoys the discount of 5%. Discount 5%. Then, we are asked to calculate not the discount in cash, but how much will the person pay. Of course, we know that the person is going to pay something less than 800 naira. So there are 2 ways of calculating this. Either you find the 5% of 800 naira and deduct it from 800 naira to know the actual amount the person will pay. Because the 5% of this entry will give you the what? The discount in cash. But there's another way of calculating it, which I'm going to show you now. So the amount paid in percentage will now be 100 minus 5%, and that will be 95%. So the buyer now will pay 95% of the actual price. That is it. Okay. Therefore, you now see that amount paid in cash I know you wonder where I get the 100. The total percentage of the actual price is 100%, because the whole figure or whole number of any entity or any quantity is 100%. So once 5% is discounted, the discount means the one deducted. That's what we do minus 5%. So the remnant, the percentage now, the buyer is paying 95% of the what? Market price. So that is 95 over 100 times 800 over 1. 0 cancels 0 here, 0 cancels 0 here. So we are left with 95 times 8. That will give you 8 times 5 is 40. Right, 0 carry 4. 8 times 9 will give you 72 plus 4. You have 76. So the actual price the person pay is now 760 naira. So that is our answer. So the actual amount paid in cash for cash payment by the buyer now is 760 naira, because I've been granted a discount. So if you want to know the actual discount granted to him in cash now, it is simply 800 minus 760 naira. You know that his cash discount is 40 naira, of course. Okay, let's go to number 2 question. Then number two says, how much commission will a sales agent receive for a sale of 12,000 naira if he is allowed a commission of 5.5%? So this is commission. An agent makes a total sale, like a sales agent, a total sale of 12,000 naira on behalf of the principal, the master of the business. That is allowed in their agreement 5.5% for total sales made. Now let us know how much commission he will now receive, that the agent will receive in cash. Good. Solution, we have that the actual the total sales is 12,000 naira, and he's granted a commission of 5.5%. Commission rate is 5.5%. So this 5.5% is like 2 times 5, you have 10 plus 1, which is also 11/2%. Okay, now how much he receives for making this deal in cash will now be cash commission received will now be equals to 11/2 times 100 here times 12,000 over 1. So that's the cash percent received. Let me write it clear right here. So it will be 11/2 times 100 at the percentage times 12,000 total sales over 1. 0 cancels 0 here. 0 cancels 0 here. We have 2 here. 2 divide 12, we have 6. So we are left with 11 times 60. That will give us 11 times 6 is 66. That will give us 660. So this young man, this agent, will make 660 naira for making a total sale of 12,000 naira at the commission of 5.5% on behalf of his principal. Thank you. I believe that with this example, we have now understood how to calculate commission and discount. And if you are now asked how much will he remit to the principal, it is simple. He will now give the principal the total amount of sales minus his own commission. Then the remainder, the net pay there, or the net balance there, will be given to the principal, that the master of the business. So when you do 12,000 minus 660, you now know how much you will give to his principal. Thank you so much for your attention. And for more of this calculation of solutions in physics and mathematics, you subscribe to my YouTube channel. You join me on Facebook, Instagram. And if you need more lessons, that is online classes on physics and mathematics, as we are preparing for JAMB, WAEC, and NECO, NAPTEP, GCE, just contact me through my line here. You can chat me on WhatsApp, so I can hold class for you through Zoom, Skype, Telegram, and so on. I remain your friend and tutor here, Joe Newton.